Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a Honda CRV. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and seating the vehicle on jack stands. Remove the intake components if they block starter access, then locate the starter near the transmission bell housing. Label and detach wiring carefully, unbolt the starter, and compare the old unit to the replacement before reinstalling in reverse order. Begin by supporting the starter with one hand or a small jack to avoid sudden drops. Disconnect the electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts in a safe, methodical order. Inspect the bell housing and surrounding wiring for wear and clean any corrosion from terminals. Remove the starter and set it on a clean surface, then compare mounting points and connector types to ensure the new unit matches perfectly before installing. Position the replacement starter and hand thread bolts to align mounting holes smoothly. Tighten bolts to specified torque values and reconnect the main power and signal wires securely. Reinstall any intake components and lower the vehicle safely from jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then start the engine to confirm proper operation and absence of unusual noises or smoke. Double-check for leaks and loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.